it is forbidden to pray in the direction of the place of answering the call of nature. Toilet, if it is open. But once you close the door, it has become an independent place, so it doesn't matter. There is a wall, there is a door. So if the door is closed, you're okay. You can still pray in your room, inshallah. Likewise, we have a hadith forbidding us against answering the call of nature while facing the Qibla or giving our rear to the Qibla. But that is in an open place. But a bathroom which is built with walls and a door, it doesn't matter, because now it is not in an open place to face the Qibla or to give your back to the Qibla. And we know that the construction does not even figure out where is the Qibla. So I rent a house or I buy a flat and it was made this way. So when the door is closed, there is no problem. You can pray inshallah in that direction.